Can I have this for school lunch? It's really good.
You want for school lunch?
Yes.
Sure.
I'll stay hot for a long
You
time.
made my job easy.
Thank you. You should try this. So good.
So these are air fried quinoa salad.
Air fried?
Yes, these are air fried.
Not made in the pan, it's air fried?
Yeah.
Oh, it tastes better.
Oh really? Thank you so much.
It's crispy and juicy at the same time.
Wow. Hello friends, welcome back. Let's see the ingredients that I used here to make the quinoa salad in air fryer. So here I've taken 2 garlic cloves, half onion, this is small half onion, finely chopped, bell peppers. I've not added tomatoes here, you can add cherry tomatoes if you want. So here I'm adding green bell peppers, salt per taste, red chili powder, you can add paprika. This is cumin powder, you can add seed also. Give it a good mix. All the ingredients that I'm using here, I'll mention it in the video description so you can later refer to it. Give it a good mix. Normally we have quinoa salad in a cold style, that is the veggies are not cooked, but here my husband wants the veggies to be little fried, so I thought to do it in air fryer. It made the veggies really crunchy. Even the raw taste of the onion has gone. Garlic tastes good because it adds flavor to the rest of the vegetables. So here I'm adding corn. You can add your favorite veggies to make this quinoa salad. So we are setting the air fryer at 385 Fahrenheit for 7 minutes. So once the veggies are nicely cooked and roasted, we'll add the quinoa here. So these quinoas are already cooked. I've taken 2 different colors of quinoas, that is white and red. So I've taken 1 cup of each, boiled with 4 cups of water, and this is how it looks now. Adding black pepper. Mix all the veggies and the quinoa together and air fry it once again. This time I'm going to set it at 380 Fahrenheit for 7 minutes. That's it. It's done. So in total 14 minutes I have put it in the air fryer. First 7 minutes 385 for grilling the veggies or roasting the veggies. The other 7 minutes mixing the salad with the quinoa. So here I have garnished with cilantro and lime juice and it's ready to be served. Mix it well before serving. Very easy and delish recipe that you can make. It's very good for meal prep also. So yeah, quinoa is ready in one side. The next you can add the veggies also. I hope you enjoyed the easy recipe. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel to see more air fry recipes. How is it, Aku?
Really good.
Is the veggies crunchy?
Super crunchy. And what is this?
It has black pepper.
Yeah, that's very...
For little spice.
Lots of
corn.
taste in here. Lots of
Corn,
combinations.
bell peppers. 4 colors bell peppers are there.
What leaves did you put?
The cilantro.
No, the cilantro has lots of flavor in this.
You like the flavor?
Yeah.
And there's lime juice.
Oh, that touch?
Do you like it?
Yes.
Hope my subscriber loves it.
Try this recipe. It's really good. You have to make this. Follow the instructions in the video, and you may do exactly the same if you want this taste. Super good. Now, bye-bye, and then like and subscribe.